I've had a frozen shoulder for around 5 years now following an accident, and this stuff, put it on and already I have more movement in my arm. Unbelievable, and it smells gorgeous, so absolutely brilliant. Thumbs up for me.
I tried some of this product, literally rubbed it in. Within 2 minutes, I've gained instant relief.
Absolutely amazing effects. No pain. I'm absolutely good to go. Thanks so much, guys.
This is really personal. There's no way that I can really fake this, and I'm not going to fake it because I'm severely in pain. You know, it really works. It really works for me. It really works for everyone else who's tried it.
I've had issues with this for 5 years now. This stuff is magic. This is not a paid testimonial.
Just if you're an aging strong man or you've got some niggles, honestly, this stuff is the absolute nuts.
It's unbelievable, and don't take my word for it. I've tried it for the first time. 7 minutes later, and my knee has unlocked itself. I've got no pain.
It worked miracles. All the pain that I had in my joints, my muscles and stuff like that. Can't recommend this more.
Which I'm very proud of, and I owe a lot of it, I think, to these puppies. I wouldn't have been able to get through my pressing or my training on the axle.
This is not just an advertisement. This is a fact. This stuff works for me, and I think it can work for you.
I broke my foot 2 years ago, and I keep getting pains here, there, and everywhere in my foot, my ankle. And literally within a couple of days of using the hot one, it's just well, helped my foot no end. It's amazing.
These products work. They have been tested by myself and Luke. They have been tested by Flex Wheeler. They have been tested by Andrew Jack. They have been tested by a lot of top quality athletes. Come see for yourself.
So I'm just getting a little bit of bicep soreness just from all the Atlas stones and all the other things in strongman that just wreck your biceps. So yeah, all you do, literally put a little bit of a squidge on there, give it a nice rub in, and straight away you can feel like a nice cooling sensation.
Try, see if I can get a bit of pain relief, and I have. Within 30 seconds on my feet and within a couple of minutes on my back, I am pretty much pain-free.
Tried it very quickly, within sort of 5 to 10 minutes. I had a slight ache in my foot, which I've had for a couple of weeks. Within 10 minutes, the whole thing had cleared up.
I just think it's absolutely amazing. I've been in lots and lots of pain for 4 years. I've just put it on one foot and I've just walked, and it's the first time every 4 years that I've walked with no pain. I'm blown away.
Powerful combination of CBD icy hot and cold CBD gels. CBD gels work. Beast out.